Let's use Zapier to connect a to-do created in 90 to a new task in Todoist. Begin on the Zapier homepage. Click Create and select Zaps. We need to select our triggering event. My trigger will start in 90, so I'll type it in and select it from the list. Next, we need to choose our triggering event. I want the Zap to trigger when a to-do is created, so I'll select that option. Before I move forward, I need to connect my 90 account through Zapier. If you've never done this step, you'll have to connect your account and authorize the connection. Once connected, I need to select the event type. I want this Zap to begin when a to-do is created on a specific team, so I'll select my team here. Zapier will then ask me to test the trigger. Here's the sample to-do it pulls in so we can continue building. Now it's time to choose the action app. I'm typing in Todoist and selecting it there. For the action event, I want Todoist to create a new task, so I'll choose Create Task. Just like before, I'll need to connect my Todoist account through Zapier. If you've never connected Todoist to Zapier, you'll be asked to log in to authorize that connection. Next, I need to tell Todoist where this task is going to live. So I'm selecting my project. Now it's time to map fields. I'll use the / on my keyboard and select what Copilot recommends for title. So now the title of my to-do will match the title of my task. I'll move down to the note field. I'll use the / key to see my options, and I'll match the 90 to-do description to the Todoist task description. If you have sections, you can select them here, but it's not a required field. You can also choose to have it assigned to a specific person, but it's not a required field either. When it comes to the due date, I'm going to use the / and select due date that Copilot recommends. Once everything looks good, I'll click Continue. Now let's test this step. Zapier will create a sample task in Todoist using the sample to-do data. This confirmation banner lets me know the Zap ran successfully, so let's check Todoist. In Todoist, I can see that the task was successfully created in the project I selected, using the title and description from the 90 to-do. To start using the Zap going forward, I'll need to publish it. First, I want to give it a clear descriptive name, then I'll publish it. My Zap is now live, and every time a to-do is created for me on the selected team in 90, a new task will automatically be created in Todoist in the project I chose.